a luminous welcome to August gathering. Education is not about learning few facts, it's about changing of mind, body, heart and soul. It makes the students a lifelong and productive learner who graduates as a self-aware adult. On behalf of Amnian family, I accord a cordial welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Mrs. Navneet Kaur Pal, PCS Assistant Commissioner, Kapurthala, to an institution that fosters amongst the students the ability to be lifelong learners and go beyond grades. A person of exact goal, vision, mission and action, she is known for creating a clean and systematic socio-economic structure. I warmly welcome Chairman HSCS Rai, Vice Chairman Colonel D.S. Anand, who could not join due to ill health, Secretary and Manager, School SMC Sardar Multaz Singh Daya, and other worthy members of Amnian Education Trust and School Management Committee, our esteemed guests and dear parents. The ideology of enlightened education and service to humanity that Amnian Dashnagar preaches and lives is an offspring of the Singh Sabha movement that began in 1873. Over the years, the movement gained momentum, and in 1928, conforming to the vision and outlook of the luminaries, Guru Nanak Sabha Montgomery was founded under the leadership of Sardar Hukam Singh, Sardar Gyan Singh Rai and Sardar Gobind Singh Pasricha. The establishment had to weather many challenges, but their direct dedication to the cause did not get affected. The difficult conditions during and after the partition made them emerge stronger. In 1974, Guru Singh Sabha evolved into Amnian Education Trust and set up Amnian Public School Jalandhar with a vision to expand to the zenith and keep abreast with the contemporary. Along with adopting the latest Amnian mentors its students to stay connected with the roots, culture and humanity. We instill athletic, cultural, intellectual and spiritual values to contribute significantly to holistic development and global approach of its students. From our nascent inception, Amnian Dashnagar has crystallized into a reputed institute of learning with a strength of more than 3,600 that school has scaled and set parameters of excellence. Our chief guest is an ex-Montgomeryan and a testimony to Amnian glorious tradition of excellence. All we can experience happens from within us. Riches or legacy don't determine the quantum of success. It is the self-confidence, self-inspiration and innovative ideas that result in the development of an enlightened persona. Inspired and fused, if the child aligns his inner energies with outer forces, he can do wonders and intensely pursue his dreams. Hand that looks up the sky is more intense and longing for the sky than the eagle that flies but always looks down. At MGN, we ensure that they should be taught to involve in such a way that they dissolve into it. Such dedication and commitment will help them overlook all negative influences and focus on their goal wholeheartedly. I am pleased to provide the highlights of the key accomplishments during this year. Coming to academics, we have again continued the legacy of academic excellence. The institution prides itself in having produced an impressive record of outstanding result. In All India Senior Secondary Examination, 359 students appeared. Out of that, 103 scored more than 90% marks. 137 scored 80 to 90% marks and 82 scored between 70 to 80% marks. That means 90% of students scored more than 70% marks. That is a great achievement. Coming to non-medical, the toppers, Usneek Singh stood second in district in non-medical with the 97.6% marks. In medical, Sahil Gandhi topped medical stream with 95.8% marks, whereas in commerce, Kaveh Kapoor was the district topper with the 98% marks. 27 students of our school got perfect 100 and they are in 0.1 CBSE category. The details are in physical education, 5 students, in painting, 17 students, in economics, 1 student, and in music, 4 students. This year also, a number of Montgomeryans made their parents and Abla Better proud by seeking admission into various distinguished professional institutions in India and abroad. Coming to JEE Advanced, Gurbaz, Usneet, Pulkit, and Harish cleared. In students clearing the JEE main, they were Gagneet, Nikshit, Harnoor, Janvi, Saksham, Samiksha, Madhushi, and Aditya. The students who cleared NEET, they were Harshit, Sahil, Taranjot, Krishan, and Sushant. Kavya and Jyoti have joined Shri Ram College of Commerce. Now coming to class 10, 216 students appeared. Out of 216, 27 students scored 95% marks. Please clap. It's a great achievement. 59 students got score between 90 to 95%, and 64 students got score between 80 and 90%. Coming to the toppers, Khushi Gandhi and Ashwarya Gupta, they jointly stood first with 98.2%. Mudil Chechi was the second with 97.6%. Pranav Nanda and Ishta Sehgal shared the third position with 97.4% marks. Other highlights. Our alumnus has caused the firmament with his achievement and made us proud. Mr. Amandeep Singh, first in Jalandhar district in PCS Judicial 2018. That is another achievement for MGL. Shining star for Galaxy, Ashleigh Gupta and Khushi Gandhi cleared the prestigious NTSC examination. Jyoti of class 12 was awarded a cash prize of ₹1 lakh for securing first position in a competition conducted by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. In commerce talent search examination, Raman Arora, Gautam Bedi and Jyoti of class 12 secured All India 31st, 51st and 58th ranks respectively. While at Mastermind Quiz competition held at City Group of Institutions, our team of Vinayak, Tushagar and Ishan bagged third position with a cash prize of 2,100. Our students Lakshya and Ramesh bagged third position in programming, skills PPT and Rangoli competition held at APJ Zenith 2019. Our budding artist Kiranpreet got third position and a special mention prize was awarded to Paya in the national painting competition held at Red Cross Bhavan Jalandhar. At DAV Science Fest in PPT competition, Anshka and Simar of 11th won first prize. In Science Tool, Samreen of 11th won first prize. Under Science Quiz, Tanveer, Madhav, Harshdeep won second prize. In City Sabya Tech, from among 6,000 participants, Vinayak, Anmol, Ishan, Kushagar won first prize in quiz. Navareen and Ruchika secured third position in debate. So there are 6,000 participants. Coming to sports. Sports are positive experience for children with widespread ramification of involvement. To upgrade the sports facilities and to encourage the students to be the healthy assets of the nation, latest sports equipments and materials have been added. Coming to badminton, our outstanding shuttler Riya Kundra, girls under 19, reached up to semi-finals at BAI National Tournament held at Panchkula. She also represents school at Bangalore National. She claimed gold and bronze in 2 state championships at Mohali and Amritsar under 14, under 19 and women category. She was the second runner-up in Punjab School State Girls Under 19 tournament at Sangrur. Trisha Puri, Girls Under 14, bagged gold at Punjab School State Badminton Tournament and will be representing the state at SGFI Nationals. Himang Nanda, Boys Under 14, won silver in doubles at Tandurust Punjab State Badminton Tournament. Rohani Sharma, Girls Under 19, was second runner-up at Punjab School State Tournament. Shivansh Puri, Boys Under 13, and Mahpreet Kaur, Girls Under 13, were second runner-up at Open State Doubles. Coming to tennis, Ekam Jot, Boys Under 15, represented India at Junior Asian Tennis Meet held in Gurugram and is seated at third place as per rating of ITA. Har Amrit and Vikram Veer Karan in boys under 14 won bronze at ITA state tournament. Ekamjot and Har Amrit represent school at ITA National in Hyderabad. Muskan girls under 14 came third in Punjab state tennis tournament. Coming to athletics, our state sprinter Japneet represent the school at STFI Nationals held in Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. He also bagged silver in 100 meter at school state athletics. Pushwinder, boys under 17, and Vasu, junior boys under 17, won bronze in CBSE cluster in 800 meters and 400 meters respectively. Harkirat was second runner-up in long jump at school state competition. Coming to table tennis, Meet Noor represent the state of SGFI Table Tennis National at New Delhi in Gujarat. At school state table tennis tournament, Meet Noor and Nipum boys under 19 won second position in individual category. Dharampal boys under 15 and Sanya girls under 13 were second runners-up in Open State Championship. In CBSE clusters, boys under 19 bagged third position. Coming to basketball, Jasmeet Kaur, girls under 19, captain Punjab team, which won silver at SGFI basketball tournament at Panchkula. Coming to Taekwondo, Ritam represents school at SGFI National Gujarat. She also won bronze medal at CBSE North Zone Taekwondo tournament. Ritam girls under 17 bagged silver, whereas Astha girls under 17 and Arman boys under 17 won bronze at school state Taekwondo championship. Coming to chess, Siddharth Arora boys under 15 won silver at Open State Chess Championship, while Srinaik boys under 15, Saksham boys under 11 won bronze medal. Siddharth boys under 13 emerged as overall champion at Punjab Kesari State Championship, whereas Srinaik under 15 bagged gold and Saksham boys under 11 won silver. Coming to karate, Pahaljot, Gagan, Taranjit and Kirandeep Kaur clinched gold at Open State Karate Championship in Amritsar. Besides them, Harkirat, Harshit and Kalyani won silver, whereas Abhideep, Ravit, Naman, Hadiljan, Ujjaldeep and Devjot won bronze in the same tournament. Coming to shooting, Ayushman, boys under 17, won silver at Punjab State Shooting Championship. In swimming, Tejeshwar, boys under 19, clinched gold at Punjab School State Water Polo Championship. Ravneet, girls under 17, won bronze at CBSE North Zone Swimming Championship in Pathankot. So MJN is shining in sports every day, everywhere. Coming to Swadhyaya sports competition. In basketball, boys under 19 silver, girls under 19 bronze. In tennis, Ekam, Haramrit, Veer Karan, boys under 14 gold. Ishan, Madhav, boys under 17 silver. Swimming, Ravneet, girls under 17 gold, 3 gold and 1 silver. Tejeshwar, boys under 17, 1 silver, 2 bronze. Punjab School district level sports competition. Tennis, boys under 14, 1 gold. Boys under 17, 1 bronze. Shooting, boys under 17, 1 silver. Coming to Taekwondo, boys under 17, 3 gold, 4 silver. Girls under 17, 1 gold, 3 silver. Boys under 14, 1 bronze. Girls under 14, 1 bronze. Coming to chess, boys under 14, bronze. In badminton, girls under 19, gold. Girls under 14, bronze. Boys under 14, silver. Boys under 17, bronze. Coming to swimming, girls under 17, 1 gold, 2 silver. Boys under 19, 3 gold. In basketball, girls under 19 gold, boys under 19 bronze, girls under 14 bronze. Handball, boys under 14 gold, girls under 19 gold, boys under 17 silver, girls under 17 silver. Kho-kho, girls under 19 silver, girls under 17 bronze, boys under 17 bronze. Now coming to the open district level sports competition. Once again badminton, Riya Kundra, girls under 19, 4 gold, 1 silver. Trisha Puri, girls under 15, 2 gold, 1 silver. Please clap. Himang, boys under 15, 1 gold, 1 silver. Divjot, boys under 15, 1 gold, 1 silver. Gurpratap, boys under 15, 1 gold. Shivashpuri, boys under 15, 2 bronze. Mahpreet, girls under 13, 1 silver. Coming to table tennis. Dharampal, boys under 17, bronze. Sanya, girls under 14, bronze. Coming to athletics. Vasu Junior, boys under 17, he got 2 gold in 200 meters and 400 meters. Omid, boys under 17, 1 bronze in 100 meters. Coming to shooting. Ayushman Dhawan, boys under 17, 1 gold. Coming to tennis. Ekam Jot, boys under 15, 1 gold. Har Amrit, Veer Karan, boys under 15, 1 silver. Tandurust district tournament. In table tennis, Sanya, Pranjal, Vanshika and Manmeet for girls under 14, they got bronze. In gymnastics, boys under 14, 2 silver, girls under 14, 2 bronze. NCC, Vanshdeep, best cadet for who attended the CATC camp. Asa Singh Nikhil, best cadet. Mandeep Kaur, Siddharth Jot, best cadet, Western drill. Coming to the fitness camp. To aware the students about significance of exercise and active life, Fitness Fusion camp was organized for classes 3rd to 8th during summer vacations. The students visited and explored local sports venues and interacted with international sports personalities. Tours and excursion. The spirit of knowledge, discovery and thrill took Montgomeryans on the adventurous trip of Mussoorie and Shimla, when the students participated in rock climbing, zipping, river rafting and waterfall trekking. These trips provided students a chance to interact with the nature, culture and heritage. Coming to workshops and seminars, interactive sessions, training programs and CBSE workshops on teaching of science, life skills, career counseling, enhancement of creative skills, inclusive education and replenishment of teaching skills were also organized for teachers, students, parents and in sport, all inclusive program of the school. Coming to Silver Jubilee. Our exclusive Club of Silver Jubilee, Streaks, has got enriched with the completion of 25 years in the service of education by Mr. Gurjeet Singh, Vice Principal, Mrs. Harpreet Kaur, HOD Computer, and Mrs. Rupinder Kaur, HOD Punjabi. Our heartiest congratulations to Mrs. Sangeeta Bhatia and Mrs. Sukham, who have reached and earned the post of headmistress and in charge pre-primary respectively. This year has been dedicated to upgradation of the system and infrastructure. I feel proud in sharing of the following developments. A new integrated software has been installed, renovation of senior and primary school wing libraries, staff rooms, art craft and music rooms and account office. For the safety of students, a beautiful ramp has been constructed for pre-primary wing, fire system with sprinklers, GPS tracker, aluminium and iron railing on stairs and MA room with all the modern facilities. We have renovated the play area with EPDM and installation of play equipments in pre-primary and primary wing. To create and contribute to a dazzling ecosystem, we have installed rainwater recharging system at 6 different locations in the school. Now conventional lights have been replaced by LED lights in classrooms and offices. Another significant feature is 2 buses have been added to the existing fleet. Our future plans are containing the vision of clean ecosystem. We are planning to install solar power plant in the school. And for the safety of the student, we are also planning a ramp for the secondary wing also. Within the mind are gems, jewels and rubies, if you listen to the Guru's teaching even once. We bow in front of the infallible, all-pervading Spirit which blesses us with unflinching faith to continue our mission of creating proactive, enlightened, sensible and responsible generation. Transparency and openness are the biggest strengths. We are beholden to the management for their open, 360-degree continuous support, quality leadership, and unbounded space for expression and compassion, which has resulted in a congenial environment where all work towards excellence in a non-judgmental conduit and contribute significantly toward sustainable social development. I salute to the parents for their undiluted support and helping us into turning our ideas into real-world success stories. I hope you will keep contributing as volunteers in enriching the intellectual capital of the nation. Performance is a byproduct of self-awareness and self-growth. My heartiest thanks to the Vice Principal, Mr. Gurjeet Singh, for creating opportunities for all to experience, explore and excel. My sincere thanks to teachers for endorsing the philosophy and methodology of MGN, for being partners in the creation of a progressive learning space. I appreciate the efforts and hard work of my dedicated non-teaching support staff who have worked tirelessly to make this splendid event a huge success. Wishing you a happy Guru Purab and a peaceful, prosperous and cracker-free Diwali. Without taking more time, I invite you to watch the thematic show. May God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the head boy, head girl, deputy head boy and deputy head girl to kindly escort Principal Sir back to his seat.
रोशन दान से झांकता फर्श पर गिरता, कभी बन जाता माथे का बोझ, तो कभी बिखेर देता आंगन में भोर, कभी खोल देता बिस्तर की सिलवटे, तो कभी लटों से उलझता, करता है नृत्य मन मर्जी से, धूप का नन्हा सा वो टुकड़ा.
I guess you are talking about the tiny tots of pre-primary.
Yes, Meenal.
Dear audience, it's time to relive childhood. Tiny tots of MGN are coming your way. These enduring tiny tots sparkle as stars. All they know is love, smile and play. Let's all get together with them. Let's give them a happy, huge round of applause for those who are as soft as clay.
Now we are presenting before you a winsome dance of the pre-primary wing of MGN.
बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या?
Come on बेटा, wake up. We are already late. Hurry up, जल्दी उठो. सुनते क्यों नहीं? आज से एग्जामिनेशन स्टार्ट है. पूरी रिवीजन पड़ी है.
Mama, please 5 minutes more.
अब आप ही उठाओ इसको. I am already getting late.
कैसी ये हलचल, कैसा भूचाल है, सांसें फूली है और ये दिल में हाल है, धड़कन रुक जाए ना ये डर लगता है मुझे, बसता ही जाता हूँ ये ऐसा जाल है, आँखों में पट्टी बांध के
बात तो सही है, हमने भी तो अपना बचपन में इतना एंजॉय किया, फिर हम इन्हें क्यों रोक रहे हैं?
जाओ बच्चों, जी लो अपनी जिंदगी।